Are you a beginner meditator? Or perhaps you've been meditating for a little while, but you'd like to strengthen your practice? Well, you've come to the right place. I have 7 amazing meditation tips that will help show you how to meditate properly based on my 25 years of experience as a practitioner and coach. If that sounds good, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's begin. Posture. From my teaching, I know that many people view posture as an unessential bonus, something that's nice but not really needed in order to practice meditation. That is far from the truth. There's a very close relationship between body position and state of mind. Research indicates that good posture can enhance mood and reduce stress. Indeed, one of the easiest ways to focus and to get into the right mindset for meditation is simply to sit with good posture. Oh, you don't need any scientific proof. You can observe this for yourself. Just take a moment to sit with a straight but relaxed spine and to notice how your energy immediately changes. This explains why posture has been essential in meditation practices ever since the time of Buddha. Inner tone of voice. I don't think I've read or heard this tip elsewhere. While many guides recommend speaking kindly to yourself, our inner tone of voice also matters significantly. For instance, speaking or thinking softly produces a different feeling than speaking or thinking harshly. Research supports the notion that our self-talk influences emotional states. When meditating, communicate with yourself in a friendly and peaceful tone, whether you're speaking out loud or in your head. This approach fosters self-love and self-compassion, which are imperative for a successful meditation practice. Explore different meditation techniques. Meditation is a rich and diverse practice. There are over 50 widely recognized meditation techniques, and hundreds more if you include esoteric practices such as the visualization techniques of Theravada Buddhism. Techniques such as open awareness help to increase our creativity, while somatic meditation is excellent for releasing trauma stored in the body, and other meditation techniques equally have their own benefits. Many people stick to just breathing meditation, which is only one of many methods available. I recommend that you at least explore various techniques such as somatic, Ho'oponopono, Tonglen, Karuna, Metta, Mantra, sound healing, and more. Each technique offers its own unique benefits, so be sure to explore your options. You can find guided meditations to most of the popular forms of meditation on my blog and on my YouTube channel. Try the last technique that you're thinking of. Through my teaching, I found that the best meditation technique for you is quite possibly the last one you're thinking of. We tend to choose methods that conform to our biases and to our comfort zones. For example, serious business people might prefer left brain techniques, while creative individuals might lean towards right brain practices. Encouraging individuals to step outside of their comfort zone often leads to breakthroughs. I've guided business professionals to try emotion-based meditations such as Metta, and I've encouraged creative individuals to explore left brain techniques like Zazen. By encouraging these individuals to try methods that they weren't at first interested in, I've helped them to find a more balanced and fulfilling practice, and indeed a more complete life. Open your eyes slowly. Before working with me, most of my students believed that once a meditation session ended, it was time to immediately return to their normal state. This mindset is counterproductive. After investing time in meditation, it's essential to transition slowly out of your meditation, consciously bringing with you the peace and focus you've cultivated. I always guide my students to open their eyes slowly, bringing with them the enhanced state of mind that they created during their practice. I usually say, our meditation will soon come to an end. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling in your mind and in your body. Carry those feelings with you as we now open our eyes to a count of 5. This deliberate and slow ending of the meditation practice helps us to maintain our mental state once we get off the cushion. Stop trying to clear your mind. Somewhere along the way, many people adopted the misguided belief that meditation is solely about clearing the mind and relaxing. This misconception can hinder progress. While a calm and clear mind is often a cherished outcome, it's a byproduct of the process, not the process itself. The real heart of meditation lies in gaining conscious control over your awareness, understanding your mind, and cultivating compassion. When you strive too hard to calm your mind, you might achieve the opposite. Instead, focus on the instructions of your chosen technique and allow the relaxation part to occur naturally. Know when and when not to control your breath. Before working with me, many of my students were confused about whether or not they were supposed to control their breath, and no surprise. Some teachers, usually the scientific type, will tell you to use a specific breathing technique such as box breathing throughout your entire session. And other teachers, especially Buddhist ones, will tell you to not control your breath at all. Wow, how confusing. The thing is, neither of these is correct. There are times when you should control your breath and there are times when you should not. You want to control your breath and to deliberately deep breathe when you need a bit of a hand relaxing, such as during the first few minutes of your meditation session. This will help to activate your parasympathetic nervous system to produce those feelings of calmness. Then, once you are nice and relaxed, stop controlling your breath and let it come and go as it will naturally. Relinquishing your breath in this way helps your mind to let go, and in turn, that allows you to access a deeper meditative state. And there we are, my top 7 tips for how to meditate properly. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and that you find it helpful. If you do, please could you like, comment, and subscribe, because it does take me a long time to make these videos, and your support is truly appreciated. And finally, why not master meditation when you join me for private meditation lessons on thedailymeditation.com?